Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical piece design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, okay. Then select the front plane, sketch, select the line. Okay, so add some relation. Okay, go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 75. This dimension is 20. This dimension is 30. This dimension is 10. And this dimension is 10 also. And this dimension is 13. So our sketch is fully defined. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, mid plane, and dimension is 35. Okay, go to the fillet, so select this edge and this edge, and this dimension is 5. Okay, close. So select this portion, sketch, draw 2 circles. Okay, so select both circles and make it equal. Go to the smart dimension, and distance from this end to this end is 21. Okay, and distance from this end to this end is 7, and this dimension is 10. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut 1. Okay, so select this portion, sketch, draw a center line. Okay, and go to the slot option using straight slot. Okay, go to the smart dimension, so select this one and this one and make coincident. Okay, go to the smart dimension, and this dimension is 11. So smart dimension, so distance from here to here is 10. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, and okay. So select this portion, sketch, so draw a circle, two circle here, something like this. Then draw a line. Okay, mirror entities, so select, so like this one, and okay. Go to the smart dimension, the distance from this end to this end is 20. Go to smart dimension, and this dimension is 16, and this is 27. Okay, and distance from this end to this end is 6. So draw a line here. Okay, so trim entities, so trim this portion. Go to the feature, extrude base 8 mm by default, and okay. So our 3D model is ready. Go to the penises and go to the metal, and this time we use steel. So this steel, level body. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot regarding 3D modeling on this channel. Thank you for watching.